Well, good evening, folks. Today, I'm going to show you the install and startup of my new Champion 3400 watt generator. This is a dual fuel model. We're going to run it on propane today, so come along for the ride. First, we install a bracket to the back bumper of my camper. This is a 21-foot camper. Added a box. This box is where the generator is going to go. Added some straps to the box to strap the generator down with. Cut a floor mat pad to put under the generator for sort of an isolation effect. So I cut that to size, cut it to fit, installed it. The generator was shipped without oil. So we put oil in, installed the generator, strapped it down. Next, we'll use the regulator and hose that came with the generator and plug in the LP. Pull the choke out.
Fire in a hole.
Turn the battery on and start it up. Well, folks, that was a success. I need to add a muffler extension and some sound deadening material inside this cabinet. Other than that, we are ready to go camping. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Junkyard Tailgate channel. Good day.